What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are going to take a look at Arcblock / USD today daily chart. Coinbase will be the data. Guys, quick look over at Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently up 5.1%, $1,238 off the highs. We were up quite a bit more, but still a nice breakout. We will pay attention to the close, but today is all about Arcblock. The ticker symbol for this is ABT USD. We are going to talk about a couple different price projections for Arcblock based on a couple different things here on the chart. We have some, or I should say the Fibonacci's lay out some ridiculously high targets, assuming the price breaks out and continues higher, then those price projections will become valid. But a lot of things have to line up for that, but we will discuss those at the end of the video. So hang around, guys. They are pretty exciting if you are an Arcblock holder. We have currently up 6.46% today, guys. Very nice day. Another nice day, I should say, for this crypto. The RSI had a nice crossover yesterday, trending higher. Good to see. The price does continue higher above current resistance, which was at 1369 right here. Our next short-term closer target to the market is up there at 1564, guys. 1564, next potential area of resistance. Above that would be 17 cents, right where this whole cluster is here of resistance. And then above that, 2023. But let's get to this bigger price projection, price target for ARC. So we have a massive cup with handle pattern taking place. I'll do the best I can here to draw this out for you. So there's our cup, guys. Think of a teacup. And this would be the handle here. And we are currently building the right side of this cup with handle pattern. So a cup with handle pattern, your entry would be the left-hand side high of the handle. So if we head over to the left-hand side high of the handle, that puts us at this candle high right here. That high would be 1981. 1981 would be your entry, give or take, for this cup with handle pattern. These big patterns can lead to very strong breakouts. So sometimes you'll get a shorter cup with handle, a very small, maybe it's a couple days or a couple weeks cup with handle, and that breakout you won't make as big of a move. But with a very large cup with handle, something like this that goes back to August of 22, over many months, you'll have a much stronger, higher price target for a pattern like this. So I mentioned that our entry for this would be up here at the 1981 high, the high of the left-hand side of the handle. This high right here would be your entry. So let me clean this up a little bit. We'll get rid of this circle right here. We'll leave the cup with handle pattern drawn on the chart so you could see it. So we have two targets to discuss first before we get into our higher targets, and then ultimately our much higher targets based on the Fibonacci math. So I have it labeled. So we have the depth of the handle. The depth of the handle gives us a projection of 27.93. So that would be a 27-cent target based on the high to the low of this handle pattern here. At least what is the current high and what is the current low of this gives us a 27.93 target based on that. So on a percentage basis, guys, from where we're currently trading up to that would be roughly a 100 or so percent move based on the high of the left-hand side of the handle, which would be the proper entry. That would get you basically a 40 or so percent return. Not bad by any stretch of the means there, guys. Not bad. So if you're entering down here, obviously your return will be much higher than if you enter at the proper entry of the high, but we might never break out. So you're kind of taking that risk. Ideally, you would wait for a confirmed breakout before entering based on this pattern. If you're basing it off something else and you're entering down here, well, that's totally different. So I also have a target up there at 29.65. You can see I have it written there, my target 29.65, which oddly enough is close, very close, a little higher than the 27.93 target. So let's run some math real quick based on roughly where we're trading at now. If we hit my target up there at 29.65, it's a 113% move. If we hit that 29.65 target based on the proper entry, that gets us to roughly a 49% move. Both of those are very, very good returns, whether you wait for the proper entry or whether you enter here and then we end up hitting those targets. Not too bad. The 27 target based on the depth of the handle gets us roughly right back to the high over in here, which was 28.20. So all the way back up to there. If we hit my target, that takes us above that high, which was on the 7th of August in 2022, summer 22, up in the 29. So that gets us to a new high based on this Coinbase chart. So 27 and 29 are two targets that we'll start with. Let's take a zoom out a bit here and talk about a couple higher targets that we have on this chart. So based on the depth of the cup, now this would be the high over here to the low over here on the 16th of November. So the high and the low of this giant cup pattern gives us a first target of, let's see here, 39.59. 39.59, guys. Depth of cup target. This green line up here would get you a 39.5 Arcblock target based on the depth alone of this cup, of the cup with handle. 39 cents. On a percentage basis from where we're currently trading, that would be roughly 185, 186% move from the proper entry, which is the high of the handle, the left-hand side there, the high. That would give you roughly a 100% move from that area, the proper entry there of 1981. Not too bad. 39 cents. We're currently trading at 13.89. I have a target, guys, slightly below that. That gets us to 38.12. That would be a 38-cent target based on the cup alone here. The cup alone. Percentage basis takes us roughly from where we're currently trading up to that area, 173%. And then from the 1981 high, roughly about a 93% move. So you can see whether you enter today, if that's the decision you make to enter today, you think this thing's going higher, your returns, whether we hit target 1, my target number 1, or we hit my target 2, or we hit the depth of the cup target 2, your returns are going to be very, very good, assuming you hold until that area and assuming the price actually gets up to that area. So you could see that this big pattern here, this cup with handle, if you're not familiar with a cup with handle, do a quick Google search of a cup with handle and you can learn about them. You can see where it takes us up into the highest target we have is a 39 cent, 38 cent, and then below that we have a 29 and a 27%, cent targets for this. So let's jump into some bigger numbers here. We have the Fibonacci's laid out on the chart. Guys, I want to thank you to all of the subscribers. If you are not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate the channel growing and all of the comments. Thank you very much. So we took the high of the cup here, and then we took the low of the cup here. So that would be the 15th of November and also the 7th of August, high, swing low, and that gives us the Fibonacci numbers. So we got to zoom down on the chart here to get our targets based on the fibs. Our first upper target, our first Fibonacci number would be the 1618, guys, way up in here, 1618, and you can see we're already well above our targets and then the cup with handle targets. The 1618 takes us to a 59 cent Arcblock ABT USD, a 59 cent, currently trading at 13.89, guys. Target number 2 up there, the 2618 takes us to a $1.99, basically a $2 Arcblock based on the 2.618 Fibonacci target way up here, $2. And it doesn't stop there. The fun does continue. 3618 fib level, $6.67 Arcblock, $6, guys. Unbelievable return if you made it up there. 3618 would be a $6.67 price target. And let's wrap this up, guys, with the 4236 fib level, $14. $14 Arcblock ABT USD based on the fib numbers and from the swing high to the swing low on this Coinbase chart. Now, there's no guarantees these levels will be hit. If the price does start to trade up into this area where these fib numbers are, or as well as where our targets are, understand that resistance can come in at any of those levels. If we trade up to our 39 or our 38 and we wick and find resistance there, that could be the high for a period of time. If we surpass them and make it all the way up here to the 2618 and it hits $1.99, $1.98, $2.01 and starts to pull back, that could be the high of the move. So these don't necessarily mean the price will get up here. They more or less mean as the price trades up into these levels and potentially hits these levels, that could be the high of the move. So guys, maybe you're looking for that $14 Arcblock. Maybe you'll be happy with that 39 or even 29 cent Arcblock. Here is the levels on the chart. Wanted to share them with you guys. We'll do a quick recap here. We have a 27.93, a 29.65, and then above that, a 38.12, a 39.59. Based on the fibs, the 1618 takes us to a 59 cent. The 2618 takes you to $1.99. The 3618, $6.67. And anybody looking for those crazy high targets, 4236, $14 Arcblock. Guys, thanks for watching. Let me know all your thoughts down in the video comments. Links are always down in the video description. Appreciate all of these subscribers. Hit that thumbs up. Guys, you have a great rest of your day. It's the 14th of March. Markets are pulling back a little bit today, but so far we still have a nice breakout in Bitcoin. The stock market futures are pulling back, but we will see how they close the day in about 1 hour. It is 3 p.m. on the East Coast. It is Tuesday, the 14th of March. Arcblock, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have a great day.